Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change default PDF viewer on any Android phone. It's very simple and easy. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. First step is to check your default PDF viewer. For that you have to open a PDF. I'm opening this one and here you can see my PDF is opening in Drive. After that you have to go back and search for the app. I will search for Drive because Drive is my default PDF viewer. Then tap and hold on it and select app info. Here scroll down and you will see the option open by default. Tap on it and in this section you will see clear default preferences. So simply tap on this. Now the Drive default preference is cleared. Let's check by opening the PDF again. So I'm opening the same PDF. You can see after opening the PDF it's giving different options to open the PDF. Now you can select one of your own choice. After selecting it, tap on always and your default PDF viewer will be changed. And this is how you can change default PDF viewer on any Android phone.